Welcome back. In the last tutorial, we showed you how to set up your vehicle types in the Vehicle Trade Management System. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through how to set up the Fuel Type System Setup options to configure the vehicle trade system effectively. On the System Setup page, click on the Fuel Types option to open the Fuel Types Management section. This allows you to view and manage existing fuel types. To add a fuel type, click on the Add button to start adding a new fuel type to your list of fuel types. A form field will be opened up for you to enter the fuel type name to specify the name of the new fuel type you want to create. The next step is to select the status of the fuel type that is being created. To do that, click on the drop-down to select between different status options. After filling in the required details, click on the Create button to complete the process of creating your fuel types for the vehicle trade system. Once the fuel type has been created, the name and the status of the fuel type are going to be displayed in the fuel type list. And that concludes this tutorial on fuel type system setup for your vehicle trade management system. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to set up transmission types for a vehicle trade management system. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.